Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to show you this natural everyday makeup look, and you can wear this look every day. It is absolutely minimal, it's very natural, and it's enough for you to cover up. It doesn't have any foundation included, so it's very natural. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue watching. You guys, right now I have no makeup on. I always make sure I start off with a moisturizer, and since it is daytime right now, I want to use a moisturizer that has SPF in it. This is the Perfecting Day Cream by Murad. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm just going to use a dime-sized amount. It doesn't have to be too much. Just to make sure you have a moisturized face. So I'm just using my hands just to moisturize my face, just blend all that in. Next I'm going to be priming my face, and I'm using this Dr. Brante's Luminizer Primer. Also going to use a very small amount of that all over my face. And like I use the moisturizer, I'm going to use my hands just like the moisturizer. You want to get under your eyes, you want to get on top of your eyes a little bit, just so it can be a good base for the eyeshadow we're going to apply soon. So next, guys, I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting. I'm going to use two different kinds of color correctors. One is from my BoxyCharm and one is from e.l.f. If you guys watched my previous BoxyCharm unboxing video, you must have noticed this. This is a liquid color corrector. It's a very light coverage when I tried it on my hand. So I'm going to use this on one side of my face, and on the other side of my face I'm going to be using this e.l.f. color corrector. I haven't used it yet. As you can see, it's still in the packaging, so I'm just going to open it up and use it on the other side of my face. So this is the e.l.f. color corrector. I'm going to use this on one side of my face, and again I'm going to just go on all of my problem areas. Like I said, I have a lot of acne marks and scarring, so I'm just using that on top of all the dark spots. And on the other side, guys, I'm just applying, wow, this is super oily, like it's kind of greasy. But on the other side I'm applying this. I don't know why it's coming out so greasy. It wasn't this greasy when I got it, but I don't know, it's just kind of weird. Anyways, guys, I'm just going to blend these two products out with a beauty blender. As you guys can see, this has little to no effect on this side. I'm going to use the other side right here, the clean side of the sponge, to blend this one out. Guys, immediately I can tell that it did have a little bit of coverage under my eye. It's way better than the other one. As you guys can tell, I have a lot of dark spots, so I need a little medium to full coverage. I don't need something that has light coverage. And so anyway, I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal. I'm not going to use a foundation today because I don't really need it for this everyday makeup look. I don't wear foundation every day. I do use concealer though, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a concealer. The concealer that I'm using today is going to be this e.l.f. one. It's a very good hydrating concealer. It has a lot of coverage, and it has just the right coverage I need. I don't need too much because it is an everyday natural look. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that onto the areas that I want to conceal. Just the spots. I know this is not like a professional method, but it's just my method of doing it. Everybody has their own way of doing makeup, so that's totally fine. Just going back with that beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend all that out. Again, you guys see how much coverage it has just with the concealer, guys. Like, I don't even need foundation right now. This is enough. This is more than enough. Now that I've concealed my face, I'm going to go ahead and bake my face with a matte setting powder. This is the matte setting powder that I'm going to be using. It's the e.l.f. one, and I'm going to just be using a different beauty blender right here, and basically just dip the beauty blender inside and just go ahead and apply it under my eyes, baking it. You want to go around the nose too, because sometimes you can miss the area and it will look a little crusty, cakey. So to make sure that you don't miss that. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and use this e.l.f. and Nabila Noor powder brush. And I'm just going to dust all that off. I didn't even know that this was e.l.f. and Nabila Noor. It was a collaboration. I didn't even know that, but now I feel so honored using it. You guys, now I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyebrows. Right now I'm using this Salon Perfect eyebrow defining palette. I'm going to go ahead with the darkest shade in that palette, and I'm just going to start off with my eyebrows. So basically what I do is I start on the bottom of the eyebrow and then I go all over it, just kind of filling it in as well as defining it. As you can see, I already look like I have a full eyebrow. I haven't even finished, so you know that this is a good product. And then I'm just going to go ahead with the other eyebrow and use the same methods. Obviously your eyebrows do not have to look exactly identical to each other. I've always said this in my previous videos as well. They need to look sort of like, you know, sisters, not twins. They need to look like sisters or cousins, not twins. Now you guys, I know I'm gonna get this question a lot, and I know you guys are gonna ask me why I haven't used some concealer around my eyebrows to carve it out. And I want to say it's because I want this to look very natural as possible, because I don't want it to look like it's not something you can wear every day. I know a lot of people don't have enough time to do that in their daily life, so I wanted to do something that's very simple and very easy to follow. So I wanted to just not carve my eyebrows out today. Just for the look, you know, I want it to look very soft and subtle and not something very sharp and edgy, you know what I'm saying? You guys, I'm going to use this KAB Cosmetics Day and Night palette, and I'm going to use a very subtle color. So I'm going to go in with burnt orange color right here. And I'm just going to apply that onto my crease and blend it out very softly. You don't want it to look too dark or deep. You just want it to look very natural. And go ahead on to the other eye with it. And now I'm going to go ahead with this shade called Georgia Peach. And using a flat brush, I'm just going to pat it on to my lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. This is an everyday look. Go ahead with the other eye. And I have to say, you guys, this palette smells absolutely amazing. It smells super good. Going back in with the blending brush, you want to just go over that crease. You don't want to grab any more excess product. You just want to go with whatever you have left over on the brush. Just brush it over. Now using the same flat brush, I want to go ahead with the color right here, Naked. And very softly, you want to go over to your brow bone and onto the other eye, just very softly so it looks very natural. This is totally optional. You can apply some falsies. I'm going to go ahead with these ones because they seem a little more natural than these ones, so I'm just going to go ahead with the natural kind. Guys, I'm going to use this brand new JIMIRE 2-in-1 magic eyeliner. It's supposed to be a eyeliner and a lash glue, so let's try it out and see how it is. You guys, this is how it looks out of the packaging. I got this from Amazon. If you guys want the link, I'll have it down below. So I'm just going to apply this just like eyeliner because it's sort of like an eyeliner. I don't normally wear my lashes this way, but I'm gonna give it a try. And go ahead, apply the lashes. You guys, right now I'm going to apply some mascara because I feel like my eyelashes look kind of weird without mascara. I forgot to apply it previously prior to applying the lashes, and I usually always apply it before lashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right now just because I forgot to. You don't want to apply too much because then it'll make your eyelashes look a little fake. So just make sure you get the base. You don't want to apply it on the lashes, like the false lashes, too much, or it won't look realistic. I'm also going to apply it onto my bottom lashes, like so. You guys, now I'm going to apply some bronzer. This here is the e.l.f. bronzer. I really like this bronzer because it's super natural. It doesn't look like too much. It looks very natural, and it's perfect for this look because, again, we want to go for something that we can wear every day. Don't forget to apply it on your jawline right here. And you also want to apply some onto the bridge of your nose just for like a little effect. You don't want too much, but you want to apply a little on there. You guys, now apply some lip gloss and lip liner. Obviously the lip liner first. You guys, now I'm going to apply this Tutti Frutti. I'm going to use the blush and the highlighter that's in here. And I forgot to mention, guys, this is the Apricot and the Act. It's the Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. And guys, I'm going to go in with blush first and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And just blend it out. Obviously, you want a very natural look. You don't want to apply too much blush. Make sure you blend it out well. And then I'm going to go ahead with the highlighter that's provided in here. And guys, I'm going to apply it with a highlighter brush. It's kind of like a tapered highlighter brush. And I want to apply some onto the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. And some here. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to also share it with a friend. Also guys, please do subscribe to my channel for more new videos in the future. And I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me, and thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot and I appreciate it so much. Until my next video, you guys, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.